Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify automate app workflows using Zapier Webhooks, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Zapier account. If you don't have one, create a free account at zapier.com. Once logged in, click on Make a Zap in the upper right corner. Choose your trigger app from the list provided. Select the specific event that will start your workflow. Click Continue to proceed. Now, connect your chosen app by signing in or authorizing access. After the connection is established, test the trigger to ensure it's working properly. Next, select the action app where you want to send your data. Choose the event that you want to happen in the action app. After this, connect to the action app by logging in if necessary. You will see a section for mapping data from the trigger to the action. Ensure each field is filled out correctly with the appropriate data from the trigger. Once everything looks good, click Continue. Zapier will prompt you to test this action. Click the Test and Continue button to check if the workflow performs as expected. If the test is successful, your Zap is ready for deployment. Before finalizing, consider setting up additional actions or filters as needed. Review all the details of your Zap once more for accuracy. Finally, turn your Zap on to activate the workflow. Your automated app workflow using Webhooks is now verified and live. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.